beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and for today's video guys, we're going to review this product from Yves Rocher. So this is a concentrated shampoo. Okay, so it's written in French. I'm gonna translate it in English, so I hope I can make it. Okay, the Shampooing Concentre tout type de cheveux, the concentrated shampoo all hair types. 30 shampoings come en 300 ml, 30 shampoo like 300 ml, flacons 100% recyclés, 100% recycled, 45% de plastique en moins, less 45% of plastic. So I hope I translate it well and I pronounce it. I'm so sorry, French people. It's not really easy your language, but I tried. Okay, so yeah, so this is 100 ml, but because it was concentrated, so it's like 300 ml inside in this bottle. Okay, so the packaging is very nice guys, as you can see. Okay, so the bottle is green color, not too long, too big. Okay, so it's really handy and you can bring it everywhere guys. Like if you have a small bag, no problem, you can travel with it. So it's not like the shampoo in the supermarket, it's too big, so sometimes it takes all the space in your bag. You can use this one like 30 times. Okay, so I use this one for several times, like 10 times I think, or more. But as you can see guys, I just use this quantity. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, I think it's really correct. You can really use like 30 shampoo. So the smell of this one is lemon flavor. So when you apply this to your hair, it really smells like a lemon. So refreshing. This shampoo is good for the oily hair. If you have a oily hair guys, this one is for you. And me, I don't have a oily hair, but in my shower routine guys, I always apply oil to my hair to protect my hair from washing. So it's not easy for me to wash my hair. So I wash my hair like 2 times a week, and then yeah, I apply like avocado oil, like coconut oil, you know. So this I only apply it like one press, you know, like one press. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how it looks like. So this bottle will not drop the shampoo unless you press it guys. Okay, I will just press up. So yeah, okay, so yeah, so that's how it looks like. Okay, so it's really smells good. Use it a little bit. Oh, I'm so amazed with this shampoo. Okay, so I just press one time like this, and then I just rub it in my head and apply all over my hair, and tuck. Wow, this is amazing. There is a lot of bubbles that can clean your hair. You don't have to use any conditioner guys after using this, because it really give you a nice soft and shiny hair after. See guys, I have a long hair, and one more thing is when I'm about to take my shower, I always apply oil. So oil is not easy to rinse, it's not easy to wash guys. So when I'm using a normal shampoo, I use like 3 to 4 times, I promise, because you know, like I have a long hair and I have to take out the oil just to make sure my hair is clean after. So yeah, I use 3 to 4 times. Okay, but with this I only use 1 time, believe it or not. Yeah, I only use 1 time, and it's really effective. It's really amazing. Really give me a nice soft hair after, and you can really feel that your hair is very clean. But I don't put on my scalp. Okay, I don't put on my scalp. I just use the shampoo with my hair. Okay, I highly recommend this one, guys, and it's not only that, it can save your money, it can save your time, it can save the nature because this one is recycled bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, for more reviews. Okay, so have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.